we are gonna be doing the Play-Doh challenge, and what that is that I got a cup here. It has paper in it with objects, and we're gonna make it out of Play-Doh. So let's get started. First thing I need to make is a tent. Okay, let's see. Let's get the blue and the brown. I haven't played with Play-Doh in like a long time. Kind of forgot how to make a tent. Okay, and then this needs to be longer as well. Okay, and then the brown. Here you go, a tent. Does it look like a tent? Does it look like a tent? Comment if it looks like a tent. Okay, let's put that one back. That one wasn't that good. Always gotta close them to make sure that they don't dry. Next one is, okay. Next one is, spider. So it might be black. This and what? I guess it's purple or something. That's hard. Oh yeah. I'm gonna use this one. Ooh, this one looks brand new. Okay, so a spider would have to. I'm not gonna make that big of a spider. So it's like an oval, and then its legs. One, two. Hey, a spider is hard. Oops. 3. And I'm just gonna make it an insect and put it 6 legs. Okay. There's the spider's legs, the little head. Ooh, that's a little head for a small body. And then the purple is for my spider has purple eyes. There you go. My spider. Okay, let's take this on and put it up to the side. Uh-oh. Okay. I'm done with this one. Next. How many was in here? I think 16. Ice cream. So this one I'm going to need this for the cone. What color ice cream should I have it? Let's make it strawberry. Okay. So we need to start with the cone first. I'm gonna give it once. Okay, so it's pointy. It's pointy at the bottom, and then it goes up and up and up. Pointy, and then it goes up as well. Like that. And then the ice cream, let's see, it's like a oval shape. And there you go. It's an ice cream. Don't judge. Okay, pink and this. Let's put that to the side. The next one is no, a heart. Let's see, should I make it like a realistic heart or? Yeah, I'm gonna make it like a realistic heart. Let's see, this is gonna be hard. Gonna need a lot of this color. Man, it's hard to get Play-Doh out. Okay. Well, it's gonna take too long to make a realistic heart. So let's just there and let's see, purple, some light pink, and let's see what other color. Okay, I decided to make a realistic heart. So, let's see. Boom, realistic heart. Okay, so it's a ball. And then, okay, let me get the other colors out. Oh, this pink is new. So is this purple. Okay, so I'm actually going to mix the colors a little bit. I know you're not supposed to do that, but I'm savage. I'm just kidding. Okay. This is it again. We got a picture of a heart right here. Ugh, it's gross. Okay, well then I'm gonna need blue then. Blue, pink, and this color. Is there any purple in it? Is it? And it's a little bit. I'll just keep this. And put a little purple in it. Okay, I'm gonna make a realistic heart. And I just saw the picture. What the heck? And it's not really pretty. Can't believe that's inside of it. Okay, so I need blue as well as pink and this color. So I'm gonna mix this color, make it look like the heart was like all squished up, right? And then okay, like that, and then blue with the vein or something. And then pink again. I know this does not look like a heart. Some more blue on the other side. Right here. And then some pink. Right here. Okay. Show them the picture. No? You want to show them the picture? Well, this is my heart. If you search up hearts, pretty sure this is not what it's gonna look like, but try my best. Okay. I'll put that to the side. Next one is a bat. Let's see, bat. What kind of bat? I'm gonna just do the baseball bat. Oh, that came out nice. Okay, so let's make a ball for the end, and now let's make it long, like that, and then voila, baseball bat. See if I can swing it. Oh! Okay. Did my phone break? Next. Okay. Phone plug? A phone plug. Okay, it's a good thing I have two whites. I hate when it gets stuck. Okay, that's good. Is that this? Ew. You want me to make that? Oh. I had some clarifications. The bat was the actual bat. So I'm probably gonna make that later. I'm probably gonna make this after. A phone plug. Comment if you still like to play with Play-Doh, cause I know I do. I love playing with Play-Doh. Okay, so we need to cut that to that, and then oh, so without the cord. I gotta make it thin. I love to make cubes with this. It's like I think it's easier to make it into a cube. it up. Gold. Oh, I kind of destroyed it. Let me just put that back there and that right there. Gold blood. Looks nice. Oh, I forgot the little thing that goes right there. There you go. That's phone play. I'm not that good at like making stuff out of Play-Doh. Which is why it's like a challenge. Oh snap, almost fell. Next. Oh wait, I'm gonna do the bat. Wait, I need to grab some more black. I'm gonna take, sorry spider. You gotta go though. Okay. How to make a bat out of Play-Doh? Let's see. So first off, it's like, let's see. Let me educate you. Okay. And then it's the best I could get it. It looks like a bat to me. Even though one is longer than the other. One wing is longer than the other. It's okay though. This is like really fun. Cause like if you're bored at home, you just pull out the Play-Doh. Okay, done with all those. Oops. 15. It is a roly-poly? A roly-poly? Are you serious? Okay, well then. Ta-da! It's a roly-poly. I was just kidding. I'm gonna make a real life roly-poly. That is ugly. Oh, do you want to make it the ball form or the not ball form? Okay, let's see. Should I make it the ball form? Yeah, that seems easier. I'll make it the ball form. Okay, so let's see. It's a ball. And then, oh, okay, so it's a ball. And then you like crack it open a little bit. Okay. And then, what else? Okay. And then there's like these little legs that come out from it right there. And then there are also sections in my white. It's like skeleton after skeleton after skeleton. So it goes here all the way to there. Oh man. I knew I shouldn't have. Actually, I don't really want to mix the colors in, so I'll just cut it. Cut it. Cut it. That brush is way too high. You need to cut it. Okay? And then cut it one more. Nice. and then cut it again, and then again, and then one more time. Nice, it's a roly-poly. Check that out. Now it's a dead roly-poly. Okay. Oh, it makes the color. Oh well. Let me just hide that. There you go. I guess I'm done. Oh no, whoa, I still got a lot. Number 8 is infinity sign. What's an infinity sign? I don't know, I'll just do an 8. Oops. Bro, you know you can pause it. Bro, just pause it. Okay, I'm just gonna make the infinity sign. So, it's like this. Okay, so it's 8. Okay, I'm gonna do the S like that, and then I'm gonna do the 8. There you go. I know I still have some left, so I'm gonna make a special video on Wednesday. I'm gonna make it Wednesday, and if you want to see me do this again, oh no, we can't put that in there. If you want to watch the next video of all these, just come back Wednesday. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and yeah, that's it. Bye. Ha, just kidding. If you want this to be a series, just comment down below. Want this to be a series, and if you want to add some stuff in here, you can just comment objects. All right, now, bye.